So we've been running the one-to-one program since 2017 when we ran the pilot. At the end of that pilot year, we decided that we wanted to have the ability to roll this out more widely in the school. And so at that point, we started looking at a one-to-one device scheme. Now, one of the first challenges that we had was obviously just seeing if this was something that our parents would get on board with, because we weren't looking at the school funding the devices, we were looking at an opt-in scheme for parents. So we spent a really large amount of time delivering parental engagement sessions to begin with our key stage 3 incoming parents to talk to them and to find out, one, if this was a scheme that they would be interested in, and also to give them a really in-depth knowledge of the context that we were introducing this scheme. This wasn't just about bringing tech into the classroom. This was to support Denbigh's overall digital strategy and where we wanted to be in 5 years' time. This was all about supporting our pupils to become responsible digital citizens. And we did spend a lot of time with like one-to-one engagement sessions, with phone conversations, with recorded messages and things, just making it really clear where this sat as part of our digital strategy. And once we had done that, we also asked parents, really, would they sort of commit to a scheme like this? Because we knew that if we didn't have enough parental opt-in, then obviously it wasn't going to be possible for us to run this as a school. And we were very fortunate in that we had a very high take up. We had sort of between 2/3 and 3/4 of the parents in each year group saying yes, this was something they really would like to get on board with. This was partly influenced by the fact that access to technology at home with some of our families was quite limited. So this was giving them a way to then look at purchasing a device, paying in instalments, and having an item of technology that they could have both in the school and that could be used at home as well.